My friend, right, I would like to tell something my story and this year best experiences, around the world. Into all changing experience in studying man this year. The first time I met the best teacher around the world in Mr. Fahmi Hanifa every single night. Every single night I went to grave, just praying that grave. Muslim scholar grave. The name of this grave is 5. Muslim scholar from Turkey, and then Hindis, and then his name is Ibrahim from Turkey, and then Salahuddin from Hindi, every single night. Besides that, I just to increase or preparing for increase my English accent with my teacher, Mr. Fahmi Hanifa. And then I went to the Slawah mountain this time. I went and met my student there, memory school at Atia Junior High School there, and then I met little bit making little bit videos in Esperanto language. And then my student there very happy for me because just share that every student 5 countries, country. Countries, Europe, United States, Asia, Middle East, Africa, Australia, like that kingdom. That's very awesome, I think. And then the last thing, unfortunately, I didn't win with, I didn't win with the festival documentary vlog in Banda Aceh at the time, even though I didn't make a little bit about the videos about, the activity Ramadan in Banda Aceh at the time. I didn't pass. It's okay, I didn't pass. Maybe next year I'm going to try how to learn everything about videos, then how do I increase my English accent and then Greek accent, because when I met people from United States it's American accent or American accent, and then when I met people from United Kingdom they use British accent because I love British accent. Right, my Facebook, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Any question?
How many days